In a real estate market where there are more home buyers than there are homes for them to buy, you want to do everything you can to make a strong offer. That's the topic of today's Home Buying 101 episode. Here's 5 things you want to consider doing. The first thing, when you see a house that you want to make an offer on, make the offer right away. We're seeing that there's a number of sellers who are accepting offers before they even get through the first weekend. So if you're seeing it today and somebody else saw it yesterday and you need to sleep on it, they may have already slept on it, made the offer, and you may find out that the house got snapped up before you have a chance to make an offer. The second thing is, if you're making an offer, go in with your strongest offer. Sometimes home buyers think, well, I want to offer X, but I'd really go to Y. Well, what if somebody else makes an offer at Y and you never have the opportunity? It used to be very common that sellers would issue multiple counter offers, and making a reasonably strong offer would at least get you included in the negotiations. But we're seeing a lot of times now where that's not the case. So don't count on getting a counter offer. Go ahead and make that strong offer initially, and then you won't have to kick yourself if you missed out on the house. You'll know that you did everything that you were comfortable with. Number 3, make sure that you understand what the seller's desired timing is, and if there's any additional occupancy that's needed, if they want to rent back, that type of thing, so that you can include that in your offer. Put together an offer that is as clean and strong as possible, so that maybe the seller could just sign it and it wouldn't be opened up to negotiations, where somebody else could then come in with an offer that might be better than yours. Number 4 is, not only should you get pre-approved, but you should get pre-approved with a local lender who has a great reputation and who will go the extra mile to be an advocate for you when you submit an offer. Will your lender call the listing agent and tell them what an amazing buyer you are, how strong and well qualified? That may tip the scales in your favor if everything else is the same between your offer and another buyer's. And number 5, work with a real estate agent who has great local connections and a great local reputation, because again, that might also put you in a stronger position if the listing agent is recommending to the seller which buyer they think has a better chance of closing escrow. If you have any questions about the home buying process, or if you'd like to chat about your plans and how our team could help, please let us know. I'm Shannon with the Shannon Jones Team at Keller Williams Realty in Long Beach, California. Thanks for watching, and happy house hunting.